2023. Allies of Skin Retinal and Peptides Repair Night Cream Review. Allies of Skin Retinal and Peptides Repair Night Cream is a luxurious skincare product that is designed to rejuvenate and repair your skin while you sleep. It is formulated with a blend of potent ingredients that work together to boost collagen production, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and improve skin texture. And Allies of Skin Retinal and Peptides Repair Night Cream Review. The post Allies of Skin Retinal and Peptides Repair Night Cream Review appeared first on the Dermatology Review.